In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files over here, and to look for your audio one, choose Audio at the top, pick one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video one, you can use the same plus and hit Gallery, or tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Either way, over here you need to look for your video and click on it to add it. If you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and hit it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!